Hello, everyone. I hope you had a great weekend. I'm sending this communication a little early. This is part one of two. And the reason for the communication is to share with you some things that are going to happen this week. So, one, the building leadership team is going to meet on Wednesday at 9 o'clock, and we're going to start discussing reopening plans for our school. We're going to lay some things out on the table to see what's feasible, what's not feasible. I certainly have ideas, but I want to make sure that I get some staff input on our reopening. I also want you to be aware that in order to reopen, we do have to follow the guidelines set forth by the Department of Ed and the Secretary of Health. So we need to make sure that we are following our social distancing guidelines. We're going to take a close look at our class sizes to make sure that we can fit our students in the classroom and be socially distant. And I want you to know that we're looking at all options, and there might be a possibility of adding additional teachers to certain grades to make that happen. And so we're going to look at ways that we can creatively do that. So I want you to be aware of that. And like I said, I want to be as transparent as possible as we move forward with this process. I will update you after the building leadership team meeting. I'll probably send a weekly update on Friday with some of the highlights of the meeting and some where we're at right now. And also in that meeting, we'll set up an additional meeting date for our next time, and I will share that information with you when we're going to meet. Thanks, and have a great week.